Good morning, happy Monday. Last week I told you about the schwa vowel sound, as in banana, and today I feel I would like to follow up on it and give you some more examples and practice with a schwa sound, because if you are aware of it, it will help you to sound more natural when you speak English. As I said last week, the schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English language, and it can be at the beginning of words, like in the word about, in the middle, like in the word medicine, or at the end, like in our banana. To pronounce the schwa sound, you just relax your mouth, your tongue, your throat, and you just say Repeat after me. The schwa sound can be represented by different letters. It can be represented by the letter A, like in balloon, by the letter E, like in problem, I, like in family, O, as in the word connect, U, as in the word sport, and Y, as in the word analysis. Now that you know about the schwa sound, you will be paying closer attention to how the words are pronounced, and as a result, your pronunciation will improve greatly. Have a beautiful day, practice your pronunciation, don't forget about the schwa sound, and have a great day and an amazing week. Bye-bye.